I decided I better go ahead and harvest some of these lemons. I found several of them on the ground around the lemon tree here. They're getting big, but look how big that one is. But they're not turning yellow. Come on, lemon tree. I'm gonna harvest some that are low to the ground here, and let them ripen inside, turn yellow inside. And some of them, I guess they're getting overheated too. They're turning brown. Guess I better harvest them. I see you. Oh, you look like you're getting real yellow. More yellow than the other ones hanging on here. Come on. Come on, Mamaya lemon tree. I think this is my biggest growth of lemons on you since you've been growing in the garden here. Got a large abundance of lemons growing on you this season. But come on and turn yellow on me. Let me go and pick some more of them that I've seen that's lower to the ground. Harvest them. Lemons grown in Big Mama's garden. Okay, I harvest these lemons that were hanging kind of low or had fell on the ground already. I'm gonna bring them inside and let them go ahead and ripen and turn yellow inside. Okay, lemon tree. Looking good. Yes, you are. Looking good.